Well, hello, and here today on the Rusty Glove Box, what we're doing today is come across this old Montgomery Ward's tiller, and it's a rear tine. It was a free one, and the engine wouldn't run. It had its issues, and also in the powertrain, it had some problems. Even the rear tines wouldn't work. I did get them freed up, but I tell you, I think what I'm going to do is just fix the engine up and save it and maybe use it on the trencher at some time in the future. So hopefully what you can see is right here, that gasket has been sucked in. Evidently either something got warped or was loose, something like that. But anyway, maybe I've got a few good angles in there and you can kind of see what I'm talking about. But anyway, well, this is the same little old carb that a lot of the Briggs use, but this one has the 3 bolts on the bowl, and I think they thought 4 was way too many, so 3 was probably just right. I don't know. But anyway. Well, we've been up here in the Fortress of Solitude where I've been doing some of my work on creating files to build the carburetor gaskets. And what I have here is the bowl gasket, and this gasket fits a 7 to 9 horse Briggs engine, and this is the style gasket that I had on there. And then this is my mounting gasket where the throttle blade goes, and I will print 2 of these. The others I'll just print 1. And well, I was going to show you the progress that we've done on the tiller cutting gaskets out. And this is my bowl gasket. I cut 2 of them out, and these are the little intake manifold gaskets and carburetor base gasket. Cut a couple of them out, and so then I mounted this one, or one like it, in the old carburetor. Let me show you what I found out. If you remember, originally the manifold gasket had sucked in right there, and so I thought, you know, that'd be easy enough fix. And I think I'd commented about this this carburetor just having 3 bolts that hold the bowl together. Well, what that's enabled, I guess, is this top to warp. And even after the new gasket, I still have a sizable gap right here. So what did I do? I ordered one. Got one online, got here pretty quick. I'll put it on and see how it does. Everything looks pretty good, nice tight seal around the gasket. Hopefully it'll run all right, so we'll see. I was able to get the engine to actually run a little bit, but then it stopped. And I thought, oh man, the points messed up again. So I pulled the flywheel off, checked the points. That wasn't the problem. This is the old coil. I did some checking on it, and the internals in the coil had failed. So got on eBay, got another ignition coil. Looks different from the original, but I'm sure it'll work. And also I ordered one of these little ignition modules, got it all installed. It does get some pretty good fire now. I put a garage sale brand new plug in there, got it pretty cheap. Wished I'd have bought more of them. They had a few extras there. And but anyway, it's getting good fire now. So I'm going to see if I can crank it up now. Okay, I've added fuel to it. I have, think I got everything off of it that could fall off. So anyway, here we go. And I'm going to tell you, that is an honest cold start. And I am very impressed with
that little ignition module and the other little carburetor and all that. But that engine's going to be pretty good.
Well, I tell you what, I think this old engine is going to make a good spare to have around. It's 8 horsepower and runs really pretty good. So anyway, I appreciate y'all coming by the shop today. This is Rusty Glove Box, and I'm out of here.